If you suspect suspicious activity on your Venmo account and need to regain access, follow these steps to secure your account and restore access. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device. If you are unable to access your account, proceed to the next step. Step 2. Request a password reset. On the login screen, tap on Forgot Password. Follow the prompts to enter your email or phone number associated with your account. Venmo will send you a link to reset your password. Step 3. Check your email or SMS. Look for the password reset email or SMS from Venmo. Click on the link provided and follow the instructions to create a new, secure password. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Once you regain access, go to your account settings and enable two-factor authentication for added security. This will require a verification code sent to your phone each time you log in. Step 5. Review account activity. After securing your account, review your transaction history for any unauthorized charges. If you notice anything suspicious, report it to Venmo support team immediately. By following these steps, you can regain access to your Venmo account and enhance its security against future suspicious activity. Always stay vigilant and monitor your account regularly.